So, welcome back to another video. We are going to be going to the cabin. Sorry about this, guys. My mic wasn't all the way on. We're going to be going to our family cabin, and I've done a video here before, but it's pretty short. And it was on my iPad and everything like that. But right now we're going to be doing it on my camera. We're almost there. I'll update you when we're like almost there. But we probably have for you guys it wouldn't be any time at all, but for us it'd be like 5 seconds. So pause it and see you later. Yeah, guys. Also, we might be lucky. We might be lucky today because there's a lot of Amish around here, and sometimes you get to see a person buggy on the side of the road or something. So far we haven't seen anything. But, yeah, Luke's just got off his iPad. We're playing some Minecraft. Yeah, because it's like a 3-hour drive up here. Sorry about that. Just dropped my camera on this a little bit.
We haven't been up here this time.
Yeah, we haven't actually.
Yeah. It's different. Yeah.
Yeah. But can I see? I'm trying to look for. Whoa! Guys, we found some horses. You might not be able to see that. Yeah, I'm really hoping there's an Amish buggy or something. In my backpack, I have a tripod here and everything like that, and then I have another backpack that has spare clothes because I don't want to spoil it for you guys because there's some fun stuff up there. I really hope we found one. Oh yeah, guys. Also, there's a big tree ahead that we always know we call it the big tree or something like that, and it's a tree that it's right out in front of the road, that it's a short road that probably is
Amish horse and buggy.
oh, here we go guys.
It's the Amish buggy.
There we go.
It looks like Santa Claus is running in there.
Yeah, guys, it kind of looks like that, but yeah, guys, there's a huge tree. Like I was saying, there's a huge tree that goes over the road, and you can see it from a long way away, and that marks a small little road that goes down to the driveway or the path almost to the farm, to the cottage. We still have a while though. So yeah, see you in a second. So guys, I think we got the first spotting of the tree. I can't really do a good view for you guys, but I think it's way up ahead. Right down there. I think that's it. It might not.
Not quite yet.
Yeah, that's not it. There's another huge pine tree that we'll pass, but it looks something kind of like that from far away. That was 2 trees. It's kind of cool up here. Sorry about that. My mic wasn't on. What I had said is I thought that was the tree, but it turns out it's not the one up there. It's farther up. Yeah, guys, there's this truck in front of us, but I don't want to show it because of license plate and stuff like that. But it's going really slow.
There's the tree.
Oh wait, the tree. The tree's coming up, guys.
Oh yeah, it's a big, scraggly one.
Yeah, it's that one. I think.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's not it. That's not it.
This one right here. Yeah, right there.
No, that's one of them.
Well, that's the one.
It's one of them. It's one of them.
It was that one.
There's a big tree coming up, guys. It's really hard to miss.
Oh yeah, I know which one he's talking about.
It's coming up.
This
It
one?
should be on camera.
Oh,
now.
you're talking about this dead one?
It's a dead one, but it's really big, guys.
I didn't know
Okay,
that was
guys.
the tree that
The
you
cabin's over there.
referenced.
The cabin's way over there, but we're gonna need to take this road down probably about 200 feet. And then there's like a big cow gate that we get to like open.
Look, this picture of you is way too funny.
It is. Guys, we think we just found a tree that fell over. Oh, it fell over. Oh yeah, guys. So this is the cabin. You might not be able to see it right now, also. But okay, guys. But for right now, we're gonna get out. I'm gonna put my shoes on in a second. So, sorry about that, guys. We're out of the car. I need to get my shoes on. We're trying to find out which key it is and how to use it. Oh wait, I got it. I got it. You're good. You're good. Yeah, I do. It's
Okay.
It's out. Here we go. Yeah. Look, the camera is sideways.
Guys, the world is
where's the
upside
key?
down.
It's in my pocket.
Can I have it back?
Here we go. We got a stowaway! We got a stowaway! We got a stowaway! Guys, we got a stowaway! We got a stowaway! Sorry about that, guys. We got a stowaway! We got a stowaway, Mama! Okay, guys. Okay, here we go. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and ring that bell before we continue. Right now, we're gonna. So, guys, a minute. Let's get this off. Wow, they trimmed down. No, they didn't trim down the trees. Yeah, they did. Something seems different here. Okay, guys. Yeah. So here we go. May not look like much. It's fun. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're gonna be unlocking it.
Totally.
Oh yeah, that's what's new. These windows are new, so I was like, I was just like, whoa, what's new? Break the door down. Okay,
Oh, it didn't work. It worked.
Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and ring that bell. But for right now, stay cool, leave it cool, and I'll see you in the rest of the series. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but see you soon.